Witam Państwa serdecznie na konferencji naukowo-szkoleniowej Aurical Center of Excellence. W tym roku gościmy w Wrocławiu ponad 30 specjalistów z 11 krajów z Europy, Azji, Ameryki Północnej oraz Afryki.
It's a very exciting course that is a deep dive into our Aurical fitting solution. We are doing this because we believe that training is the cornerstone of our business. We believe that it is one of the most important things when you're working in a hearing aid dispenser is to verify the fitting.
Less than 20% of people, when they do a fitting, they use verification. So actually they are doing a fitting in blind without knowing what they are delivering to the patient.
So here we are trying to explain to the participants the importance of verification and what exactly the benefit would be to the clients that they fit in.
The practice of doing verification is suddenly you start to understand what is the sound pressure that you are giving in the ear of the patient, and in that way you can know exactly what to expect of speech intelligibility. And that's the concept they are learning here.
The training is a very much hands-on training, of course combined with theory.
It's really important to have a guided practice on the device to see how easy it is and how effective it is.
So we do a little bit of theory and then practice, a little bit of theory and then practice. And from the days we are building on the knowledge they get. One of the biggest value of products that we have, it's a very advanced technology and people have to learn how to use the technology.
So we do organize these kind of seminars very frequently in different regions.
This is a very great opportunity to talk to our peers and find out what the barriers are and some of the audiology practices, what some clinicians find to be challenging, and what other clinicians find to be most beneficial about utilizing the equipment in their everyday practice.
With this workshop, we have the opportunity to get in contact with our end customer and give them the opportunity to come in contact with us. So we know each other and we function like a family.
These workshops are definitely needed. We have a high level of people in the workshop, a high level of experience.
A lot of just live explanations, and we could freely ask a lot of questions and get the real answers to what we are really interested.
It's very good to do the hands-on thing. You understand better. Well, I'm the kind of person who understands better when I do things.
Dla każdej osoby w takim szkoleniu są pewne rzeczy, które można wyciągnąć, że tak powiem, i użyć w praktyce, także na pewno jest to przydatne.
What I can wish now is that everybody's going home and everybody's practicing and doing what we have been practicing these 3 days. And I know they are capable of after these 3 days.
Audiolodzy, protetycy słuchu, inżynierowie kliniczni dzielą się doświadczeniami z zakresu współpracy z pacjentem z niedosłuchem. Wierzę, że warsztat Aurical na stałe zagości na mapie konferencji w Europie. Zapraszamy do współpracy.